Alright, so in this video I have a couple different items that I want to show you guys that I picked up recently. This one right here I broke down and paid resale for. It's just one of those shoes that I wanted and circumstances were right, so I bought these ones. So let's go ahead and get into the video. What is going on, guys? Hess here, CollectiveKicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals that I posted for you guys on my website, check the link in the description, and happy shopping. Today, I got a bunch of fun random things out here. We'll start off over here because this is the Black Tailor brand that I actually bought some pants from before, and I really like their products, so I went in and got a couple more items, as you could see here. So if you haven't seen this brand, I found them on Instagram of all places, but they have a really dope curated list of pictures of dudes always wearing their pants, and it looks really clean. And so I bought some of the pants previously, and so I reached out to them. They actually ended up sending me the ones that you see here, which is really dope. So if you guys want to check them out, it's Black Tailor is the brand. I'll link them in the description, but the quality of the clothing is actually pretty decent. I really like the look of everything that they have too. First up is a pair of shorts from their site. This is the only pair that is shorts out here that I got, but cool looking shorts, kind of a cool looking pair of cargos, some military inspired joints here. What I really like about these pants is they're baggy for the most part, and then they're really well tapered at the bottom for the on-feet sneaker pictures that I like to post. So I have used their pants in some of my on-feet pictures and videos and whatnot already. So if you guys have seen some of my videos recently, you might have seen some of their black pants or their green pants that I've had, the green cargos. So now I have a bunch more options for those on-feet videos. So those are the camos. These ones look crazy. So these ones are a little bit different in the fact that, so the bottoms down here have pull strings, so you can actually just pull them tight and make them as tapered or as baggy as you want. This one is another wild one. So this is an all-white pair of cargos. And the bottoms, again, on this one are a little bit different. As you can see, they're cuffed. Since it's all white, I actually want to ice dye this pair. Because of the materials, I think it's actually going to take to the ice dye really well. So I'll be doing that in a future video. But kind of cool. White pair of cargos. Something fun, just a little different again for on feet. And then I got a couple pairs here of just black pants, which their selection online is crazy. I mean, there's so many different ones. I actually wore these ones a couple times already. I really like these ones. And they're cuffed on the bottom down here with a zip. So that's another just different style. And the last pair here is another pair of cargos, as you could see, but the bottoms of these cargos have a really interesting strap. So I got a bunch of different variety pants for on-feet videos. And if you guys tried the Black Tailor brand stuff yet or not, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think. So thank you to Black Tailor for sending that stuff over. And again, check the link if you guys want to shop out their site. Moving on to some of the shoes. I already showed this in a previous video, but just so you guys could see, I picked up this shoe right here. This is the Ultra Boost S and L, and this is a really cool colorway. It definitely has like a Captain America vibe to it. 4th of July in the mix. Here, this will probably be my 4th of July on-feet picture of these guys here. But suede and leather is what the S and L stands for. I did a review and why I think you guys should give these a try. I think they're great looking Ultra Boost and something that a lot of people aren't really talking about. So yeah, I think that this is a great purchase, and I really like this colorway. So that is why I picked these up. Also, I did end up buying them from the Adidas employee store, so half price was a huge plus. Moving on, we have this crazy pair. This thing weighs about 20 pounds. It says not for resale, Wolverine 1,000 mile, Michigan, USA. And then you can see it says Vic Mensa on it, and it is a collaboration. If you didn't know, Wolverine is actually a parent company to Saucony. So Saucony, when they have their nice quality leather stuff, usually comes from Wolverine. But this tag right here lets me know that this is going to be a super high quality item inside of here, because that means the leather quality is amazing. So it comes with some leather laces here. Looks like the parental advisory sticker thing there, but we have the shoes here. Actually, I should say boots, not shoes. I mean, as soon as you get these out, the leather quality on these are just crazy. I mean, super nice quality work boot leather. Look at the leather insole even, like super nice quality leather. I might actually just take these out and wear these in other sneakers, man. It has the orange stamp down here, the Vibram, I believe is how you pronounce it. Soles, super thick, heavy rubber. And it says Wolverine 1,000 mile de-embossed right there on the shoe. Really simple branding, but really dope. And then you can see the laces. It says 93 all over the laces. So if you don't like the look of these laces, you can go with a more classic, subtle look and go with the leather laces here. but super, super crazy nice quality material. Shout out to Wolverine for sending these over from the pack, man. So he has, I think, 9 pairs that dropped on their website. I'll link them in the description. Super high quality stuff. It says right here again, Wolverine 1000 mile. Vic Mensa on it right here, 93. Way, way better than I thought these were going to be, especially in hand. And here's a little label. I mean, just look at that leather. But shout out to Wolverine again, sending these over. All right, so the last but not least, here's a pair that I haven't seen yet. I haven't opened the box, so I just opened it up. So I actually...
Hey, Dad!
Hi, pal.
I just have a possible.
Hi,
Hey, guys! Today, Uncle K is going to work today, and he's going to be on surprise.
You're going to get a surprise from Uncle Kenny?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Hey, what do you think about these shoes?
These are awesome.
Do you
What
like
are the colors?
It has red, and it has blue, and all the different colors.
Shout out to the kid for stopping by. Anyway, so I bought this pair of shoes resale. Not something I like to do, but yeah, look at that. I had them all wrapped up and everything. Take a look and see. Here's the other one. Brand new in box. And I paid an arm and a leg for these. Box fart. So, here's the box price. Here, $220. Here's what I paid. $550 for a pair of 9.5s. Now, let me justify this purchase real quick, because truthfully, it didn't actually cost me $550. I had a $300 gift card to this place, Restock Chicago, and I've been waiting to find a product on their site to buy that I've been wanting. They didn't have a huge inventory for some of the stuff that I wanted. I was looking for like Travis Scott 4s. I would have honestly bought Travis Scott 1s for resale price minus the $300 gift card that I had. I thought it would have been a deal. But instead, these came in my size last minute, and I knew the drop just happened, so I figured, you know what? I actually really wanted these in my size. So I paid $550 for these minus $300, and so yeah. $250 is not bad, in my opinion. So I thought it'd be a good purchase, and that's why I ended up buying them. So they have this one all wrapped up all crazy. I'm gonna open this up. But so that is what I paid resale for. But I'm happy that I actually ended up getting these in my size. Did you guys score on a pair of these Yeezys or not? What do you guys think is gonna happen with the next pair of 350s that drop in July though? You think they're gonna sell through or not? I didn't think that the resale would get up to 5s. Obviously, 4s is more along the lines of where it's at. I paid definitely way more than I should have. Do you guys think that the resale of this shoe is gonna go up or down? I am kind of torn. I don't know. I feel like they have a back stock of these that they never released potentially. And if they drop a bunch more, the resale is going to go down to 3s and stuff, maybe high 3s. But I still think it's a great shoe and it's a great colorway regardless. And as I showed you guys already, I made this one right here. This was out of my statics. So static custom that I did versus the retail pair. I mean, it looks pretty good. You can see the bottom's blacked out because of the dye blacks out the boost. But I mean, this isn't a terrible alternative, except for the statics are now going up in price also. But yeah, anyway, so that's what I bought. Anyway, shout out to Wolverine for the crazy, crazy boots. And shout out to Black Taylor for all of the pants here for my on-feed videos. Anyways, that is the video. If you guys would like to smash that like button like it's 2017, you guys can do that. Otherwise, you can subscribe to the channel if you guys would like as well. Notification bell to be notified of when my videos go live. And have an incredible rest of your day. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace, guys.